Adobe Photoshop offers basic tools for working with the images and the artwork like rectangles, rounded corners, circles, ovals, multi-sided polygons, straight lines, arrows, and a big list of specialized custom shapes. They are all at your command with a simple click and drag. When you open the shape tool that you find in the toolbox on the left hand side, you will be prompted to enter the settings for the shape in a dialog box. You can do settings like the size, height and width in pixels, and you can click on OK, or else you can drag and draw the shape directly on the screen. Once you create the shape, you can drag the shape to change the proportions, resize it, and you can also fill it with a color or apply a gradient. You can also reduce the opacity of the shape. You can change the outline or the stroke size or do other settings using the options for this tool in the options bar. The custom shape tool allows you to add various stock shapes to an image like music, animals, hearts, flowers, etc. This tool allows you to control the size and proportion of the shape as well. You can do all these settings in the options bar. You can also use shape tools to create frames for your photos and projects, or you can add shape elements to them. The pen tool allows you to draw smooth edged paths with anchor points and handles. When drawing a shape with the pen tool, you can keep left clicking at intervals to draw the shape, or at certain points, you can drag and draw to create a curvy shape. With the pen tool, you will have to do the settings in the options bar either to draw a shape or create a path. The path selection tool will allow you to quickly select a path that you have drawn, giving you the versatility to move or edit objects. The next tool under the path tool is the direct selection tool. This tool allows you to select individual anchor points in a path or a shape, and you will be able to manipulate it. You can select paths using the pen tool. Once you draw a shape using the pen tool, you have to right click inside the shape and you have to select the option Make Selection. In the dialog box, if you want, you can specify a feather radius value to create a more softer edge to your selection.